Today's guard of honor consists of CISF personnel. The parade commander is Shri Vivek Singh, Deputy Commandant, Madras High Court, Chennai, and the band is led by Shri Muralidharan, Sub-Inspector, Tamil Nadu Police. CISF is an armed force of the Union raised by an Act of Parliament, namely Central Industrial Security Force Act 1968. The CISF came into existence in 1969 with a modest beginning, having 3 battalions to provide integrated security cover to the public sector undertakings, which in those years occupied the commanding heights of the economy. With globalization and liberalization of the economy, CISF is no longer a public sector undertaking centric organization. Instead, it has become a premier multi-skilled security agency of the country. In a span of 4 decades, the force has grown several folds to reach 1,62,660 personnel today. CISF has 12 reserve battalions, 9 training institutes, 347 units, and 75 other formations. As per mandate, CISF provides security coverage to the vital installations of the country as well as protection to their employees within the premises. CISF is currently providing security cover to nuclear installations, space establishments, airports, seaports, power plants, sensitive government buildings, and heritage monuments. CISF is also providing security to some private sector undertakings like Delhi Metro, Infosys, Reliance, Patanjali, etc. Presently, CISF is also providing protection to protected persons categorized as Z+, Z, X, and Y. CISF is the only force having a customized and dedicated fire wing. CISF is a cost reimbursement force. CISF was inducted in the Honorable Madras High Court on 16th November 2015. The CISF internal security duty at Madras High Court contingent is headed by Shri Anil Bali, AIG, who joined CISF in the year 1995 and served in many public sector undertakings and airports. For his outstanding service, he has been decorated with DG's Disc and President Police Medal.
Chief Justice of Madras High Court has arrived. Now, the chief guest will unfurl the national flag. All are requested to stand up and the uniformed personnel to salute the national flag.
National salute! Salame!
Now, the parade commander, Deputy Commandant Shri Vivek Singh, reports to the chief guest and requests for the inspection of parade.
गणतंत्र दिवस परेड निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है।
Honorable chief guest obliges.
Sir.
The Honorable Chief Justice, the Honorable Judges and dignitaries. The government, in recognition of the unconditional service of 20 years rendered by the drivers as an incentive as awarded gold medals. I request my Lord, the Honorable, the Chief Justice to present the gold medals to the drivers. Mr. V. Kangan. Mr. C. Ramalingam. Mr. K. Venkatesan. Mr. S. Sivakumar. Mr. S. Subramanian. Mr. M. Kanniyappan. Mr. M. Mahalingam. Mr. S. Ilangovan. Mr. R. Babu. Mr. K. Parpuna. Mr. H. Jagan. Mr. D. Kuppusamy. Mr. G. Raji.
இன்னும் வரலையா?
Mr. K. R. Thirumalai. Mr. S. Ramalingam. Thank you, Lord.
General salute! Exclamation! Red Bagashas!
Now, the parade commander is taking approval to disperse the ceremonial parade.
परेड समाप्त हुई कूच करने की आज्ञा प्रदान करें श्रीमान परेड अंदर को सैनिक हट
CSF contingent and Madras High Court. Thank you all for your gracious presence on this auspicious occasion of our 72nd Republic Day celebration. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
IT is arranged at Rajmahal Hall, first floor. I request Lord the Honorable the Chief Justice, companion judges and the dignitaries to join for IT at first floor. Thank you.